Hello students, this is a quick video guide for Easybib. I just wanted to show you how to create a works cited page using this resource. The web address is easybib.com and this is the home page, and it defaults to website since that's a source that a lot of students use today. But for our practices or our purposes, we're going to use a book, and so we will type in the title, and it is called 50 Essays. And here are several options. Now we are using the 4th edition. This looks just like this. It's the 4th edition. It was published in 2014, and so that's not available here, but I'm going to use this and just change the date. It'll make life so much easier. We are not citing the whole book. We are citing a chapter. And so we will repeat this process 3 times, once for each essay that we've read from this source. And so the title of the first piece we read was called Turkeys in the Kitchen. So we'll put that in there, and it was a chapter. Now the source editor is still Samuel Cohen, so we're going to leave that, but we're going to add section author, and his name was Dave Barry. Again, we'll scroll down. Remember, we needed to change the date because we read the 4th edition, which was published in 2014, and this started on page 72 and ended on page 75. And so we'll create the citation. And there it is. It's perfect. Now we're going to repeat this. And so we will write 50 essays. There it is again. Once again, we are citing a section of it. And this time we are going to write the men we carry in our minds. Okay. It's still the source editor is Samuel Cohen, but we are going to add section author, and his name was Scott Russell Sanders. And once again, we need to correct the date, 2014. And this essay started on page 346, and it ended on page 351. And create the citation. And one more time. Book, 50 essays, cite it. This is for the last essay. Everything's the same. We put in the title, just walk on by. That's the title. Source editor, Samuel Cohen. Section author, Brent Staples. Change the date, 2014. Starts on page 383, ends on page 386. Create the citation, and we're done. So now we have 4 citations: Staples, Sanders, Barry. I have this in here twice, so I want to get rid of it. I'm going to delete this one. Yes. Now I have all 3 citations. Now you can do this a couple of different ways. You can export it, and we're going to export it as a Word document. Download for MS Word. Here it is. It actually puts it in alphabetical order. It has a proper format. That's exactly how it should look. You would need to add your MLA header at the top, your MLA heading. So it's in alphabetical order. It has this reverse indentation. And that's it. Good luck.